Once, in the forest of Naimiṣāraṇyam, great sages headed by Śaunaka Ṛṣi assembled to perform a long sacrificial ceremony for the benefit of the world, which was to last for 1,000 years. Come, let's look into meaning and insights of this verse. Naimisha Kshetra refers to the sacred forest of Naimiṣāraṇya, which is considered a powerful spiritual location where divine energy is concentrated. This place is described as where Lord Vishnu's chakra created a sacred area to counteract the influence of evil. The sages, led by Śaunaka Ṛṣi, gathered with a unified purpose to benefit the world spiritually. The collective wisdom and efforts of these exalted rishis underscore the importance of collaboration in spiritual endeavors. The sages initiated the 1,000-year sacrifice for the welfare of humanity and to ensure the elevation of people to higher planes of existence. This act was not just ritualistic but was deeply motivated by compassion and a desire to alleviate the sufferings of the world. The long duration symbolizes the sages' dedication and determination to ensure humanity's spiritual upliftment. Such an effort reflects the importance of consistent, long term focus in achieving profound results. Lastly, this assembly sets the stage for the Srimad Bhagavatam. It was during this sacrificial gathering that questions about ultimate knowledge, the Supreme Lord, and Dharma were raised, leading to the narration of the Bhagavatam by Suta Goswami. And the takeaways are: this verse emphasizes the foresight and commitment of the sages who sought spiritual solutions to worldly challenges. It teaches us the value of collective effort, focus, and intent in pursuing higher purposes, paving the way for the divine wisdom of the Bhagavatam to unfold.